Welcome back. Now, one of the controversies over corona has been attempts by state governments to cap the prices for corona care at private hospitals. Among the cities that has done that is Chennai. But as an India Today investigation finds, Chennai's private hospitals are violating the orders on capping of prices for corona treatment. Shalini Lobo has today's report.
Tamil Nadu, especially Chennai, is witnessing big daily surge in number of COVID cases. But hospitals, which should be at the forefront of the corona fight, are struggling. Dwindling beds is a common evil plaguing private hospitals on state government's list.
I have a relative who is a COVID positive patient, and we want to shift him from Omandurar to the hospital. So I wanted to know what the tariff charges were like per day.
Ma'am, sorry ma'am, here no beds are available ma'am, beds are all full ma'am.
Ma'am, I want to know the price for corona beds, if there are beds available in the hospital. There are no beds available in the hospital?
No ma'am.
I wanted to know about the admission charges for a COVID patient in Vijaya Hospital. I want to
Madam, at the
transfer.
present bed is vacant till ma'am. One day 30 to 40,000 something varum ma'am.
If you're lucky enough to get a bed, be ready for a rude shock as you will be charged a bombshell for the treatment. India Today has accessed bills running into 3 lakh rupees for a week of treatment. After massive discontent, the state government has capped prices. The government fixed a fee of 5,000 a day for non-critical cases with additional cost of 3,500 for miscellaneous charges. For those in ICU, the cap is 15,000 a day, with an additional management charge of 6,500 for those who don't need ventilator. It's 8,500 rupees a day for those needing ventilator support. India Today decided to find out if hospitals are following the capped fee norms.
And I'd like to know the per day charges.
In general ward, we don't have beds for the patient cot. We have only the attendant cot. Per day, 70 to 20,000 will be the charges.
You heard that right. Rupees 17 to 20,000 for a general bed, whose price is fixed at 8,500 by the state government. Hospital staff say they are yet to implement government prices.
So I'm looking at hospital options. So I just wanted to know how much it would cost me.
If you want to put any oxygen facilities related,
Okay.
per day they cost around 20,000 rupees more.
What exactly the price range also will come up to for the ward facility?
Must be around 1 lakh per capacity. 1 lakh
Per?
0.5.
For
0.5 for 7 days.
for 7 days. This comes under the other cap itself.
Yes.
While the government order puts the cap at around 60,000, these hospitals are asking for over 1.5 lakh rupees for a week. Tamil Nadu doctors' body says the government cap is not feasible as hospitals incur additional cost of staff quarantine, PPEs, ventilators and labs. Can the state government end fleecing of patients and ensure private hospitals don't turn red?
Private hospitals are full and do not have enough beds to take in new COVID positive patients. They also tell us that they're yet to revise their prices as per the government order. Now, this indeed does pose a problem for the Tamil Nadu government as Chennai records over 1,000 cases every single day, and this has been the trend over the past 1 week. With video journalist Divyan Rajkumar, this is Shalini Lobo in Chennai for India Today.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.